Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Modern Swahili. Today we'll be making kachori, and basically it's partly mashed potatoes dipped in a flour mixture and deep fried in some oil. This is one of my favorite potato recipes, you guys, and it's amazing. So let's go ahead and get started. We already have all our ingredients laid out, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the 4 potatoes which we have, as you can see, and then we're going to place them in a pot half full with some water, and then we're going to go ahead and cook them for 20 minutes or until soft. So now let's go ahead and get the flour mixture ready. While the potatoes cook, we will need half a cup of all-purpose flour, a third of a cup of chickpeas flour or gamma flour, that's what they call it, and a half a tablespoon of salt and some food color. Be very careful, you just need a pinch of this, guys, a pinch of food color, and we're gonna mix everything up together. And we're gonna take 1 cup of water and add it into the mixture slowly as we try to get into the rhythm of getting the right consistency for the mixture. We don't want it too runny, so we're gonna put the 1 cup of water, but not all of it. We're just gonna leave a little bit in the cup. So as you mix everything up, go ahead and add a little bit more of water. Stir everything up together, and it's looking beautiful, and that's the kind of consistency you want. It's not too runny and it's not too thick, it's just perfect like that. Now we're gonna go ahead, and the remaining water you see was not that much, put that aside. If you see that the color is not to your liking, you can go ahead and just add a little bit more of that food color, but you don't want it to be a very dark orange, because when you fry the potatoes they're gonna get darker. So that's about enough for now. Keep stirring it. Now the color is coming. That's beautiful. That's the kind of orange we're going for, orange yellow. Perfect. So let's go ahead and put that aside and let it rest. On our potatoes, they're boiling. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a fork and put the fork. If the potato is soft, then you know that the potato is ready. We're gonna take it out of the water and run some cold water on it and start peeling the potatoes. So we're gonna peel the potatoes while they're still hot. I know it's a bit inconvenient, but working with the potatoes when they are hot makes things so much easier, guys. So let's go ahead and peel the potatoes up while putting them in a bowl. Once we're done with peeling the potatoes, smash them with a fork. You now want to go ahead and add in half a teaspoon of salt. We want to go ahead and start molding the potato into a round form. Just place it in your hand and make like a ball shape, and just keep rolling it around in your hand until you're happy with your molded shape. And then once you see that it's good enough, put it on the side and do that one more time. Grab a little bit of potato in your hands and just roll it into a ball-like shape. So we're now at the final step of our potatoes, and we're going to take 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add just a little bit of water, 1.5 teaspoon of water, just to make a paste out of it. We're going to take our potatoes, cut them in the middle, and just apply the paste on the potatoes. This is just going to make the potato look more presentable, and if you're somebody who prefers spicy food, this is also a very good option to make it even more spicy. So I'm just going to do half of them spicy and half of them not spicy, and then just for the presentation, this is what you're going for the red line. Go ahead and finish the rest of them and get ready into deep frying our potatoes. We have some oil which has been sitting on medium heat, and we're going to go ahead and add a bay leaf just to give the oil some flavor. And once the bay leaf turns brown, we're going to take a little bit of the flour mixture to see how the temperature of the oil is. So this is what you're going to see, and you're going to know that it's ready to fry our potatoes. We're going to dip them into the flour mixture and just keep frying them. Please make sure that the heat is medium heat. We're now going to take our spatula and just try to shake the potatoes so that they don't go ahead and be sticky on the work. Let's go ahead and turn our potatoes around so that they can cook evenly. And then we want to go ahead and just let them fry for another 2 minutes. So keep whisking the potatoes until you see a beautiful golden yellow color. And then now you'll know that the potatoes are ready to go onto the paper towel. Don't they just look beautiful, guys? So crispy on the outside, and they're going to be very moist on the inside. So let's take them and let them sit on a paper towel so that they can drain the oil, and then they're going to be ready to serve. I had mine with some coconut chutney and some turmeric sauce, and I always have a hot pan, so I made myself a avocado juice which had some milk in it, and this was so delicious, guys. You should try this recipe and let me know what you think. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.